Okay, good afternoon. Today we are going to be making Bakeless cookies. And I can remember first making these when I was probably about 7 years old with some great aunts that we were visiting while in Maryland. So, we're going to get started. We have 2 cups of sugar. And I already have everything measured out pretty much. We're also going to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa. And after adding that, I like to kind of stir in the cocoa with the sugar. And the burner is not on. It just incorporates it together. All right, then we're going to add a dash of salt. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of milk and 1 stick of salted butter. And I'm going to turn our burner on to about medium high, and we're going to bring this to a boil.
So basically this melts the butter and dissolves the sugar, right?
Yes, and I like to kind of continue stirring a little bit just so it helps it not to burn or stick. I like to also think it helps bring it to a boil faster, but probably not.
I think stirring is usually what you do to stop it.
Where our sugar has dissolved and our butter has melted, so we're just waiting for it to come to a boil. Of course, they say a watch pot never boils.
I'm pretty sure there's been more than one occasion where we just melted the butter and dissolved the sugar and threw everything else in.
Probably, but it's supposed to come to a boil first. It helps the cookie to set up better. Oh, looky there, I think we are getting to a boil. It's starting to bubble anyway. Okay, I think we have come to a boil. We're going to turn off the heat and we're going to remove it from the burner. We're going to add 3/4 cup of peanut butter. You just stir that around until it melts. Then we're going to add, once it's melted, a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to let Marissa go ahead and add that. Okay, give that a good stir. Alright, now I'm going to switch back here to my bigger spoon because now we're going to add 3 cups of oatmeal. Give that a good stir. Get it all mixed and incorporated. And once we have this all mixed together, we're going to drop the cookies by spoonfuls onto wax paper and let it cool. Okay, so we're going to start adding it onto our wax paper. And really doesn't matter, big, small, scoops. Pretty much all you're just getting some on a spoon. I'm just using a regular kitchen spoon. These are easy to make. It's pretty quick. If you're looking for a fast snack or something you'd like to have for breakfast in the morning, I like to say it's a healthy cookie. After all, it's got peanut butter and oatmeal. It's got to be good for you. There are no perfect shapes. Although I have seen some, they turn out looking better than mine, but hey, I don't usually get any complaints. Okay, there we go. Bakeless cookies on a Sunday afternoon. We're going to let them cool, and then we're going to see how they taste.
How long did they cool?
Around here, maybe 10 minutes. Probably good to let them cool a little longer, but generally we just start coming around with a spoon.
Disclaimer, Mom and I don't mind them being a little soft.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, they've cooled a little bit, probably about 10 minutes. They could probably cool some more, but hey, we're gonna go ahead and have a taste test. These are not his favorite, and he always says he doesn't like them,
That's
but
just chocolate.
he always eats them.
Yeah, it never stops him from eating them.
It is
I know, they're just, you know,
They're cooling.
they're cooling, but you know, they're a bit messy still.
They are. But it's got oatmeal. It's good.
See, you like oatmeal, and it's got peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna try one. It's almost like eating fudge.
That too. I think cookies like this are why I can't understand cookie recipes that take over a day before you actually get a cookie out of it.
True, I can't wait that long.
But they were good.
Well, I've never met a cookie I didn't like.
Wow.
Okay, I'd say it passed the taste test. We're gonna let them cool completely, then we'll put them on a plate and have a few more later. Thank you for joining us today in making homemade bakeless cookies.